Greetings, cadets. This is Parker Green, back once again. And I'm going to be reacting to Funny Refrigerator Come to Life by Building Surprise Toys. Meh. I said I would do this, and Johnny looks incredibly wet in the thumbnail. I know. Man your stations. Can't believe I'm about to get this. Oh.
Billion Surprise Toy.
God, that fucking jump scare Johnny. An ice cream man in a pink refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
God, they
Do
updated
you
this.
have water?
No, Papa.
Traveling
Damn,
glass.
they're
No, Papa.
pretty small.
Open your door.
Ha, ha, ha.
Okay, again, I have to ask, why do we have somebody remade this piece of crap? Oh god.
Do you have sauces? No, Mommy.
Somehow they've managed to make this even cringier than before. Yeah, why are you lying about you're putting ketchup on as it's cooking, really?
Refrigerator, yes, Johnny. Do you have ice cream? No, Johnny. Telling lies? No, Johnny. Open your door.
Why are you laughing as you... And shouldn't that ice cream be in the freezer?
Refrigerator, yes, Chia. Do you have chocolates? No, Chia. Telling lies? No, Chia. Open your door.
Damn, you got a shitload of chocolate in there.
Refrigerator, yes, darling. Do you have cupcake? No, darling.
Okay, why are you asking for a cupcake? You have a chocolate bar. You don't need a cupcake. Okay? This thing is recording, right? Oh, yes, it is.
Telling lies, no, darling. Open your door.
Oh, God, this is... Again, I mean, I've never seen the original. Hey! Johnny, you little son of a bitch, stealing Dolly's cupcake. Oh, good. Oh, good, you got... Oh.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you. I never want to see that again. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah, and you know it's bad when they disabled comments for the video. Well, that's good. Yeah, I've never seen the original video, but I'm just going to say that it's even cringier than the original. Alright. Over and out.